Here we go again. Same guy in the same spot. I set my phone down and just walked away and did something else so you could hear what happens when I record. It gets a little quieter, they back off. Now before I hit record, see, now I stopped. Completely stopped. Before I hit record, it was full bore right in my front yard for a very long time, talking over half hour. And you just did this yesterday and the day before. And then I'm guessing tomorrow the people across the street will be doing the same thing. So there's constant noise. Constant. Cagey, talk to y'all later.